In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we look at the latest price movements over the Easter weekend and also discuss where prices are now headed with demand that will most likely start to decrease. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook, where we also look at the latest livestock and grain prices each week. We also discuss in this week's episode the latest news and trends in the fresh produce markets of South Africa. The exchange rate traded relatively sideways on R14.63 per US dollar, while the latest oil price increased to $113 per barrel, with tensions in Ukraine growing over the weekend, prompting concerns of further sanctions to Russia. Libya also reported halted operations at two sites, and analysts expect sustained bullishness this week, with limited additional supply coming from major oil producers to offset a reduced flow from China at the moment. Last week and this week is shorter weeks due to the holidays and markets that don't trade. Most volumes therefore will decrease and be on a lower level compared to the previous week. Some positive news for producers is that the average potato price increased again the past week to R49.12 per 10 kg bag, with the Class 1 price currently on R51.73. The price is just above last year's levels, with the price likely to stay between R40 and R50 for the time being. Tomato prices decreased to R9.04 per kilogram, which is 17% lower week on week. The Class 1 price traded on R10.11 per kilogram. Tomato prices are currently about 54% lower compared to last year's levels, which traded just below the R20 per kg at this point in time. This season, in terms of volumes, can roughly be compared to 2 seasons ago, when prices traded between R8 and R6 over this coming period. The carrot price increased by 33% last week to R5.82, with the Class 1 price currently on R5.62. We're still expecting prices to decrease from here on out, as volumes will likely increase as well. The latest onion price increased to R5.03 per kilogram, while the average Class 1 price increased to R5.32. I think we can still expect a slight dip in the price due to higher volumes over the coming 6 weeks or so. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbage prices decreased to R2.99, garlic prices increased to R59.44, spinach prices decreased to R3.79, sweet potato prices increased to R3.54, while the latest pepper price increased to R13.67 per kilogram. Pepper prices can get some resistance over the next month due to higher supplies expected on the markets. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out their website now at Nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service countrywide for the Toyota of your choice. Looking at the latest price movements in the fruit market, the banana price decreased to R8.41 per kilogram, with Class 1 bananas currently on R9.24. This price can come under some pressure from here on out, as volumes are also likely to increase. Apple prices increased by 6% to R7.04, with Class 1 prices currently on R7.41. Apple prices can remain on a downward trend over the next 3 months or so. The pear price increased to R6.65 per kilogram, with Class 1 pears currently trading on R6.84. In the citrus market, the orange price decreased to R3.88, with Class 1 oranges currently on R4.39 per kilogram. Lemon prices increased to R4.54, with Class 1 lemons on R5.17 per kilogram. The avo price decreased by 2% to R12.84, with Class 1 avos currently on R13.62. We're still expecting avo prices to trickle upward over the next 3 months due to slightly lower volumes expected as well. Table grape prices decreased to R17.23, with Class 1 prices on R21.66. The latest pineapple price increased to R8.57 per kilogram last week. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile Marketplace and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.